the dragon alive! It's over.
As long as my dragon still breathes, it isn't over.
We'll see. Call it off.
It won't stop fighting while I'm alive.
Tighten the chains.
Stop! You're hurting him!
That's the whole point. You fought well. Swear loyalty to our kingdom, and both of you live.
My place is beside my dragon.
Then you'll watch it die.
Today, the Dragon Kingdom and justice win.